Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Q&A session where we dive into the world of automobiles and tackle your most pressing questions. I am StellarMech and I am thrilled to be your guide through today's answers. Let's jump right into it. Question 1. How often should I change my air filter? Fantastic question. Air filters should generally be replaced every 15,000 to 3,000 miles depending on driving conditions. However, if you frequently drive on dusty roads, consider changing it more often. Question 2. Is it necessary to warm up my car in cold weather? A classic query. In modern cars, you don't need to let your engine warm up for long periods. It's enough to let it idle for a minute or two before driving gently until it warms up. Question 3. What's the importance of regular tire alignment? That's a smart question. Proper tire alignment ensures even tire wear, improves handling, and maximizes fuel efficiency. It's a crucial part of regular maintenance. Question 4. How do I choose the right motor oil for my car? Excellent question. Check your car's owner manual for the recommended viscosity and oil type. Synthetic oils offer better protection and longevity, but always follow your car's requirements. Question 5. Why is my car's AC blowing warm air? A common concern. It could be due to low refrigerant levels, a faulty compressor, or a leak in the AC system. It's best to have it diagnosed by a professional technician. Question 6. How can I extend the life of my car's battery? Great question for those battery conscious folks. Parking in shade to avoid extreme temperatures. Turn off lights when not needed, and regularly check for corrosion on the battery terminals. Question 7. What should I do if my car overheats? Important to know, if your car overheats, pull over safely, turn off the engine and wait for it to cool down. Never remove the radiator cap while the engine is hot. It's best to call for assistance. That wraps up today's Q&A session. My fellow car enthusiasts, I hope these answers shed some light on your auto related curiosities. If you've got more questions brewing, drop them in the comments and we'll be back soon with another round of enlightening answers. Until then, keep those wheels turning and drive safe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop for more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next video.